Yeah, I was messaging you, and I'm like, maybe I'm tripping. Maybe he didn't say he was gonna join tomorrow.
You already knew. You're like, wait. You're like, wake up. You already knew I was gonna join, bro. It's 6 a.m. here, bro. Market opens at 6 in the morning, so I
Yeah,
gotta be up like
yeah,
5.
yeah. That's tough. That is tough. All right, cool. Stream should be up. Yeah, we're good.
Ooh.
But yeah, man, it's funny because remember, we were talking about like why would price want to take all-time highs today? I'm like, see, sure enough, the market is just
Way too
it's
close.
just ripping, bro. Like you would think YM would catch up eventually, but YM is nowhere near all-time highs. Well, I take that back. I take that back. YM made a run since Monday. Oh my
Yeah.
goodness. It's like 400, 500 points away from all-time highs now.
The Dow.
The Dow. So maybe that's what's gonna happen. We just keep going higher until Dow catches up. Because it's definitely trying to catch up.
Yeah, you're right. It's trying to take that puppy out today.
Yeah, it's trying. And we go 930 Judas slower. Yeah, let's get ready, bro. Let's do this, man.
I'm getting get ready to long this, bro. And bro, we gotta like, dude. These market conditions have been absolutely beautiful. Like the way it's been running.
Yes, sir. Just hold it, right?
Yeah.
Definitely gotta hold better. I was thinking that yesterday. Yesterday was kind of tough to hold because I ended up buying Nasdaq, but I wanted to buy ES because ES was, in the front. So ES takes out all-time highs way before Nasdaq does anything, and I'm like, dang, I don't want to be holding this in it reverse. So I just took my gains for the day.
Smart.
All right, cool. Yeah, so I'm gonna get my levels together here, bro, and let me check the stream, make sure everything sounds good.
Well, what is it called? Is it just me, or this is like kind of nasty right now on like the lower time frames?
Oh, facts. I haven't even looked, bro. I have to do some 30-minute hourly analysis is what I usually start with before I even get there. Looking for some hourly order blocks, some liquidity on the higher time frames, how prices responding to this midnight price is really the key to me.
Yes, sir. Yeah, that's the Bagman right there.
And look, ES pushing back towards this London low. I think we take this London low before we do anything. Yep, there it goes. All right, cool. So yeah, I'm gonna just get some levels going here, bro, and then I don't think I'm ready to trade yet, so I'll probably be waiting for that 10 a.m. open. Let me see. Is there news? Forgot to check news.
There's the guy in here saying there's an echo.
Here we go. All right, so last time it echoed, I just needed to do this. Let me see.
Oh, damn, it's bad. Yeah. Oh, shit. That echo's bad.
There's an echo. Is it on me or just you? Or
both of us? Both.
All right, so that's what it is. I have to go to this. I wish it would just save my settings, but it doesn't. I have to do this every single day. All right, so try it. What about now? Let me double check. It should be good now. Let me pull up the stream. Hold on. All right, it's fine now. All right, cool. Can you hear, Obi?
Yeah, I'm tuning in right now. Let me see.
Obi can't talk now. Hold on, let me put Obi back on. How about now? Can you
Yeah.
All right, there you go. Yeah, I can hear you now.
Oh, it's good now. It's good. Stream's good.
All right.
Oh, it's good now. It's good. Stream's good.
Are you watching the stream, Obi?
Yeah, it's actually.
Are you watching the stream, Obi?
It might be echoing again. Let me check.
All right, try now. Say something.
Is it good?
This is crazy, bro. Audio.
What was the settings? What was the settings we had last time where it wasn't echoing?
I think it's OBS.
Oh.
Hold on. Say something now, bro.
Test. Should be... No, echo.
I think it's good now, bro.
Yeah.
All right, yeah. So let's get these levels charted because the market is not waiting for anyone, I see. It's crazy. All right.
It hasn't gone anywhere. We're chilling right now.
Yeah, we're chilling, yeah. Facts. Control room audio. Mic delay. Noise gate. Compressor.
I just realized too, today's pre-NFP. Tomorrow's NFP.
Exactly, right? Who knows what today has in store?
Yeah.
All right, let's see, man. Let's get some levels going. Yesterday was funny watching people, bro, because I don't know if you noticed, like, NASDAQ was extremely choppy for the first, like, hour and a half.
Yeah.
But ES was so clean. I saw everyone trying to buy NASDAQ getting stopped out left and right. NASDAQ was dirty, bro. It was dirty for the first hour and a half.
Wow. Dude, I realized you bought the little breakout right when it broke out. You bought it,
bro. I'm telling you, bro. It's some sauce, bro. Even like the stream we took together, like the invalidations, like the point of interest that I like to wait for.
Yeah.
I have to get in because it'll take off from there. And if I'm wrong, it'll completely flip. And then I'll be able to just buy the other way. So it's like, that's why I'm low-key fearless when it comes to the entry model now. Like, I know I'm either going to be right, and if I am wrong, it'll give me the right answer almost immediately. If I'm patient enough, right? So yesterday was like, I was literally just waiting. I'm like, as soon as we get this this ROC trend shift, I'm buying it. Boom. Bro, it was the bottom of the whole day. I could have held it all day.
Bro, it's insane. You literally had that bottom with zero drawdown.
Zero drawdown.
300 points. That's crazy, dog.
Bro. And the crazy thing is, I was in ES first, but when NASDAQ started to like bleed lower aggressively, I'm like, yo, let me get out before ES tries to bleed too. But it was all just NASDAQ scamming the buyers. I was never really interested in NASDAQ. But when I saw that, I like panicked, got out of ES, waited for NASDAQ to go bullish, and then just bought NASDAQ. Because
ES is smart. Smart.
Yeah, bro, it's just tough on your brain because I'm like, bro, I'm sitting here watching ES just rip higher the whole time, and then NASDAQ is over here sweeping low after low after low. And I'm like, am I tripping or is this not going anywhere?
Like, we're just, because deep down, we're ultimately NASDAQ traders in our heart.
Yeah.
We don't want to trade ES.
Exactly.
We go in our journals. Okay, buy the stronger asset, short the weaker one. But in reality, we're gonna buy ES. We're gonna buy NQ.
That is so true, bro. That is 100% true, bro. You got any key levels you're looking at?
Nope. I'm looking at this. I'm looking at this 6 a.m. low that ES is about to sweep. Seeing if we SMT off it here to for higher.
Facts. Yep.
Um, and to be honest, like if we get a setup long today, I might just, you know, probably just London highs will be target. Those you see those
Facts.
London highs?
Yeah, it's sitting up there, perfect draw. Yep.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie though, I would love to see some sort of selling pressure, bro. These buys have been just, it's almost like you know they're not gonna keep going forever.
Guaranteed.
But hey man, if that's what it wants to do today, we'll be buying it. We got this gap up. I'm sorry, no, that wasn't even a gap up. We gapped down last night and immediately flipped back bullish. So maybe it's just bullish again. NFP is gonna take us to like 30K, bro.
Yeah, bro. It just I'm looking at the higher time frames. You know that one deviation I always tell you about? How that thing is
Yeah.
always like accurate. That thing lines up perfectly with 30,000.
Oh, that's the answer right there.
Yeah.
That's the answer. That's
The
crazy.
question is what we have to go on we have to fractalize the model and go lower time frames. Is it gonna want to go right away, like just in like 1 week, or is it gonna take like maybe 2 weeks?
Whoa. This kid is already in shorts, bro. Let me see what he's looking at, bro. This kid is short on NASDAQ right now. But I don't blame him. I don't blame him. ES is pushing lower. Maybe NASDAQ drags lower, but it looks like ES is tapping into that midnight. ES took out a bunch of hourly lows here. This could be a pivot point for the buys. YM showing some exhaustion. Nice wick lower. Yeah, I don't know if this is a good short, but yeah, kid, he's floating nicely though. He got in at the top of this move somehow. I don't know. It's always interesting to see other people getting in trades. I'm like,
It's like yeah, but it's just the beauty of the age of trading we live
well,
in.
he is floating nicely, bro. Yeah, he might be onto something with this short.
Oh,
yeah, it's bleeding. It is bleeding. And you did get SMT off of this 8 a.m. high, all right? So, yeah, he just slapped all TPs here. And there is like a lot of like low resistance. Yeah, there is a lot of low resistance here.
Yeah, this is all LR right here built up.
Yeah, that's not a bad. That was pinpoint. He got in at the top.
Yeah.
But so yeah, let me do a quick rundown here. We got these order blocks here in Asia seem to be holding up nicely, right? ES driving into that same order block that sent price higher on the hourly. I want to see if, let me see 30 minute maybe.
Okay, 6 a.m. SMT.
Yeah, nothing tells me to short here on the higher time frame. Everything tells you to look for support off of Asia.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm okay off of shorting, man. I'm not
Yeah.
short all time high.
You're right. Yeah, this is extremely bullish. So what I want to see now is once 10 a.m. hits, I want to see if price can start reversing here. Really nice. All right, cool. Yeah, nothing tells you to short this. We're taking out that London low here for ES. All right, yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'll flip your chart here if you wanna just go over some things. For me, I think it's just a matter of just waiting for 10 a.m.
Yeah, I mean, the way we always trade, we always zoom out higher time frame. What's the higher time frame doing? 4 hour. We're hitting a 4 hour order block, so I expect this to act as support. Send price higher with 10 o'clock open. 1 hour. Nothing
Facts.
really.
Yeah, it's as simple as it could be, to be honest. Just wait for some sort of power of three is what I would say. Like 930 has opened lower for ES, right? 930 just completely sells off. Nasdaq, however, at 930 pushes up, sweeps that hourly high, and then goes lower. So you got two different power of threes going on. But naturally, you want both of them to be on the same page, right? So if we're gonna open lower on Nas, I want to see ES open lower as well.
Yeah.
So hopefully 10 a.m. just gives you a drive lower, or at least a drive back into one of these order blocks, and then boom, we're
But
on.
this whole week has been practically like Tuesday, from aside from Monday, which is typically like a manipulation day, has been
Mhm.
open, the pullback, buy, open,
Yep.
pullback, buy. It's been the same every.
Whew. Nasdaq is volatile. Yeah, it's gonna try to shake out these early traders from what I can see, and because it's selling off so clean here, you almost know that it's not gonna keep selling. This is a clean sell off on ES. No sweeps, no nothing. Just straight drop. All right, yeah. So mark off these pre-market highs. That's gonna be the first TP. 930 swing here. Boom, boom. Yep, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. And we're chilling, man. You can't ask for better price action lately though. I'm wondering like
No.
where has this been for the past couple months? Like it took a war for price to start showing some urgency. And not
Well,
only, yeah, it's crazy.
you know, I was reading Desi's tweet yesterday, and he said something that really actually spoke volume. You know Desi, right? That really good trader.
Yeah, yeah, with Brian and them.
Yeah, Brian. He was like, he was saying, well, first thing he says this is why strategies are only 5% of trading. Strategy will probably tell you to avoid this price action. If you aren't trading this, you're 100% missing out. Price action does not come around like this often. Manage risk and put on risk.
Right.
And then he said, price action back to back Q2 price action when berserk, which is so true. Remember last
Yeah,
year?
I've said that before as well, right? Once you break out of that first quarter, like January, February, March, April, May, and June, the markets are beautiful. Summertime
And
is tough, but quarter two is fire typically.
you know damn well this is the time to make money, because you remember a couple months ago price action was
Yeah.
horrendous. Right here, with
Oh my goodness.
January,
Yeah.
February, it was nasty.
That is the truth, bro. Made me question if I wanted to be a trader. Like, bro, this is A plus, and it's the crazy thing is, it's like you would think that with a war going on, with the prices of goods, the cost of living going up, you would think that the markets would be struggling, but it's the complete opposite, bro. The markets have been flourishing like no other. I think it's really insider trading though. If you ask me, if I had to explain how is this possible, I saw a tweet that said Trump since 2025 has created 40 billion in revenue for his brand. So
Yeah,
in 1 year, 40 billion.
true. It
So
is true.
I think they're just opening the floodgates with just insider trading, buying and holding, and that's causing the stock prices to just rally.
Like prop up and get inflated, like more than it should be worth.
Right. And then once Trump is out of office or whatever and he starts selling his portfolio, which he probably never will, he's probably going to be holding forever. Because every day he gets on the news, oh, the stock markets are doing very well. The stock markets are greater than they've ever been.
Yo, that accent is peak Trump right there.
Oh my goodness, kid. Are you watching Nasdaq right now?
Yeah, buys.
Yeah,
Click
Nasdaq's not
buy.
going lower, bro.
No.
ES is holding us back, but I just watched this kid float like this was his entry here. Let me see. He entered right at 930 price on the short. It was floating. Oh, that's not that many points. It was only 40 points.
Dude, we should just buy this with like super light risk and just expect it to rally the whole day.
Right. And just add in as you get confirmation. Starter
Yeah.
position, add in.
Starter, like 2 micro starter position, and just add in as it rallies the whole day because we know it's going to 30,000.
Exactly.
That's the
It's
game plan.
crazy, man.
Yeah, they're already longing this. This is already long. I just saw his tweet thing. These guys are already trying to long this.
Yeah, I'm watching Tanya. Tanya caught the same trade. And that's when I'm starting to realize, bro. Because for the longest, I'm like, bro, her model is way too simple. But I'm starting to understand that every single move, bro, for this New York session, it starts the same, bro. When price is ready to go, it's going to give you some sort of breaker. It's going to give you some sort of literally sweep and market structure shift. You got to be careful because there's going to be fake ones, right? But you know, whether it's real or not, every big move starts the same way.
Yeah, I agree. Breaker, order block, and then it invalidates the order block and runs it.
And then runs.
But I think NQ is about to run to London here.
Yeah, it's playing weird right now. I don't like how ES is so far behind, bro.
Wow.
It's gonna, yeah, something's off right now.
Definitely
Let me check the news. Maybe we got some sort of I don't see anything. Yeah, I don't see anything that would, oh my goodness. Previous daily high being slapped right now. All right, yeah, let me get ready. I think we're gonna end up doing something funky here, bro. Something's not right. Nasdaq failed to take out the lows and then runs back to the highs. I guess we did take out this hourly low. Was that Desi? Is he live?
Yeah, I just he's he has a limit he has a limit order at 70.
70s for longs.
Yeah, he's waiting for a pullback.
Oh, pullback. Okay, yeah. They can't knock along, bro. Cannot.
Which is not bad, bro. I mean, we're looking at 10 o'clock open. So if 10 o'clock opens here, sorry,
and drives back. Yep.
Drives lower.
Yep.
I would definitely buy that.
Yep. It's that simple, right? Yep.
But why isn't ES giving the same structure, bro? They're going in two opposite directions.
ES will catch up here, I think.
Play catch up, you think?
Yeah, if you just wait for some sort of breakout on ES, yeah, there it is.
Oh, don't take out London's high. Come on, leave it. Pull back.
We got 4 minutes. Yeah, I think it's gonna pull back. It's tapping into this previous daily high resistance, so it should find some resistance here and pull back. Nasdaq, yeah. Nasdaq is stronger today, so I will be buying Nasdaq if we get the opportunity. Yeah, this is crazy how strong this is, though.
Yeah, something like that. Something like that would be cool.
Two minutes until this candle closes. All right, man.
Perfect. Pullback, just like that, baby. Oh yeah.
Let's go. Let's go. Uh, yeah, I'm sure. Let me see. Let's see what these other traders got going on. Tanya's chilling. The one kid who shorted, he got stopped break even. You say Desi has an order sitting at 70s here.
Yeah, he just got filled. He's long.
I think that's a little bit too early, but we'll see.
Yeah, way too early.
I would want to enter somewhere around 930 price if I could choose, but let's see if 10 a.m. can spice things up for us here. All right, nice. All right, cool. So yeah, I'm chilling here. I'm ready for whatever.
I just hate how freaking ES is not like.
It's not strong enough yet. It's not strong enough yet. Definitely not strong enough yet on ES.
But if we get something crazy where like, okay, we buy NQ and ES just picks up the plays catch up, and it launches NQ to the moon, that would be nice. All right, 10 o'clock is here. Let's see what we get.
Yeah, I kind of want to see this, like you mentioned, this 4-hour candle here. It's about to close at 10. I would love to see one more sweep lower here for ES. Take out that 6 a.m. low. And then boom, put that wick on that 10 a.m. candle. Something like that would be A+. Because it's right there, right? If you look, this 9 a.m. hourly candle low is right there.
You're talking about that 952 low?
Yeah, for ES, yeah. If we can get a sweep there for 10 a.m. and then show some nice rejection, that'll be the confirmation.
Yeah, I would totally enter. See, that's the thing. I'll enter early. And that's how I get like good fills.
Good fills, yeah.
I'd rather get in early and be wrong early than getting late and have a huge stop. Cause
correct.
That's just the way
Yeah, risk to reward is everything, bro.
Yeah.
Facts. Trust me. Front run it because you see a reaction that you want to see. Maybe scale in once it starts to go. Yeah. All right, yeah, we're chilling here, man. Let's see. It's almost like, is this really gonna just rip here?
Yeah, if but I swear to God,
I mean, if it does, I guess we get a discounted entry on that. I mean, ES, because ES is gonna catch up eventually.
You want to buy ES? I don't know about
that. That's tough, bro. But it's literally the same thing from yesterday. Like I was like, bro, I do not want to buy this, but if we're gonna go higher, it's gonna catch up. If it reverses, I'll just get out at break even or something. YM is extremely weak as well, so I think we push a little lower here. YM is extremely weak. Push up, boom, boom. YM is extremely weak, but we took out this Asia low. We took out Asia's low.
Come on. ES, you know you want to take out that low. Stop playing around.
Yeah, literally. Either it's going to take out that low or NASDAQ's going to take out a high and we're going to short. I would hope for lower, though, just to keep it simple, bro. YM is running here.
Oh my God, come on. Let's see how the 4-hour close at YM. Oh no, dude, that's not a bullish closure on YM.
Yeah, I was gonna say
4-hour.
YM is exhausted right now, super weak. Takes the high, pulls back, I think there's probably a fair value gap. Yeah. So ES, I mean that's and we're generating this higher time frame gap here, which who knows if it's actually going to close as a gap, but YM
Ah,
2 hour chart bullish gap sitting inside of it right now.
yeah, YM looks like it wants to get shorted, dog.
Yeah, YM is a weirdo, to be honest, to say the least. YM never gets the memo till days later. Yeah, these buys are about to just continue, bro. Notice how 10 a.m. is not being breached on NASDAQ. It's trying to push lower and it just slams off 10 a.m. ES expands away from 10 a.m. as well. Yeah, bro. This type of stuff. This is not showing any signs of a power of 3 unless you're thinking short, right? 10 a.m. just pumps higher.
Like, there's a 5-minute gap sitting right there. Like, why don't you just tap into it and
I think it's
sweep
yeah,
that
bro.
low?
Look at the 15-minute, bro. I think we're about to go short, bro. Look at how 930 gives you a 15-minute gap on ES. Look how NASDAQ is pushing and about to take out highs here. All right, with that high being taken, if we reject strongly off of this is not a good setup for buys.
Yeah, this is not my setup.
It's
Sorry, can't take it.
Some stuff, I promise you, it's just look at that, bro. I hate when trades like this play out because it's like, bro, why would you take this? And then now you're gonna make money and you're gonna think you're a good trader. This is a terrible setup. I hope it pulls back aggressively here so we can short it.
Yeah, where you gonna put your stop? Like, let's say you go long here, right? As soon as it taps this gap, you gotta put your stop all the way down, like a quarter block.
All right.
What kind of RR is that? This is garbage.
Yeah, I'm chilling, man. Let's see if we can get this flip here. I would much rather want to short this ridiculous discrepancy, even though it's hard to short these type of conditions, but I like the short. YM still bearish, tapping into yeah. Well, I'll take that back. NASDAQ is just, bro, this is stupid, bro. I don't know if I'm gonna trade this, bro. Like, what is this, bro? And I watch ES just get a massive catch-up candle where it just nukes these highs. No real structure at all. Bro, get out of here, bro. And you got people in buys, I bet, right now.
Yeah, Desi's eating right now. He got in.
Like, get out of here, bro. I guess you can't even be upset because it's at this point literally just buy anything. Literally, wait for 10 a.m. and just buy anything. You'll be okay. This is sad, bro. I don't know. Oh my goodness, bro.
All right, time to buy ES, bro. I'm buying ES.
Like, where? Let me see. Where would you get in?
I'm just waiting for this gap to get flipped. I'm just buying it. I'm just gonna play catch up.
Let me see. Gap fill. Which gap?
This gap right here. This
5 minute, 10 minute.
Yeah.
5
No,
minute.
what 5-minute gap inversion? Just buy it at this point.
Okay, I see. Yeah, and it's really just no hesitation either.
Yeah.
No entry model for me at all. Like I don't see a break and retest whatsoever. Yeah, I'm chilling, man. Inversions, I don't like inversions because like I said, I mean, like you said, you have to pick a stop and just hope it doesn't pull back because you can't cover the low.
Yeah.
You would just cover that candle, right? That inversion candle low.
Yeah, actually, you're right. That's just a bad trade. Never mind. That's just FOMO. Or
where did Desi put his stop? Was it at that
put
candle
a
body?
Yeah, he put a 40 handle stop for a 40 handle TP. That's crazy.
Oh yeah, I guess that's not terrible. Probably just covered that 1 minute FEG candle low and then rip. I don't know though. I like the fact that NFPs tomorrow, we've been trading higher for days. We're showing exhaustion on ES. Remember, ES was the leader yesterday, so it's kind of a red flag for me that ES is not the leader anymore, telling me that we might get some pullback action.
Yeah.
I guess we did pull back though. That's the catch. ES did pull back and take out Asia low. It did pull back and tap into some structure here, so maybe I don't know. We'll see. I'll just give it a little more time, bro. I'm probably gonna make something to eat real quick and hope that things look a little bit more reasonable in a few minutes.
Oh, it literally did what we said it's gonna do. It's gonna open, pull back, and then just climb higher, but no entry model for neither of us.
Yeah, that pullback was pathetic, bro. That 10 a.m. pullback was literally, look at it. It was maybe 8 points, 10 points. NASDAQ went underneath 10 a.m. for 1 minute wick and then runs. That's ridiculous, bro. Get out of here. You're not that bullish, kid. I'm not falling for it. You're gonna pull back here again. It's probably gonna drop underneath 10 a.m. just randomly here. And then we can get that discounted entry that we want. There it is.
Yeah.
Look, there it is. Look at ES bleeding. Right on cue. Keep going. Don't stop. I want to see. So if we pull out that Fibonacci from that bottom, bro, let's see if we can get back to this 28,775 range. Get back underneath those discounted levels. What's so funny, bro? High five. High five. High five. I'm gonna get you. I ain't get you. High five. There we go. Yeah. So naturally, bro, it's either gonna create some sort of fair value gap on the higher time frame, like a 15-minute bullish gap here that price will pull back into for a continuation, or it's gonna flip aggressively the opposite way, right? So I'm gonna wait for at least maybe a 5-minute gap. Okay, yeah, there you go. You got a 5-minute on ES here. Price could pull back into. Yeah. Bro, this is not pulling back.
Yeah. This is crazy, bro. I don't even know what to say.
Why is it so bullish, bro? There it is. Come on, bro. All right, let me just stop looking at this because it's making me mad. I hate when price pretends to be so one directional. We know you like to randomly pull back, bro. We know this. But right now you're pretending like you're just the strongest asset in the universe. And I know that's a lie. You're gonna drop and you're gonna sweep.
No, I don't think it's gonna sweep the 940 lows. I think it might sweep not the 10 a.m. open. Possible.
Yeah, I think if you just give it some time, bro. It has to manipulate something. I don't see much manipulation after that 10 a.m. open. I don't see any manipulation. 10 a.m. just opens and rips higher. Oh well, if it wants to run, I won't even be upset, bro. This is trash. I'm gonna make something to eat real quick though.
All right.
All right. At this point, you might as well just buy ES and just know that it's gonna take off.
Yeah, I'm eyeing buys right now.
Yeah, I'm about to get into here. Let's see how this deep drive responds. If we can respect here, let me draw this up. I like this.
You
attempt
see,
to go lower.
yeah. Notice how it didn't close above that swing high. That's why I haven't got in yet.
Oh, what's up with this, bro? Here goes the Erky Jerky press action.
It's just shaking out the buyers. That's all it's doing. Shaking out people. That's it.
Yeah, I'm gonna start drawing this up, bro.
So relative equal highs on ES. Like I want to buy Nasdaq, but I just to just go long in Nasdaq and have imaginary targets. Like,
What about your deviation? Let's see.
bro, we have blown past deviation. Like,
I mean,
by,
the most recent pullback, right? Is you could create a new one or no?
yeah, you can. So, but they're all bullish candles.
We got that subtle pullback at 10:15, an attempt to go lower. I guess it's almost already at that one deviation too. Yeah. I think you just got to buy ES and just hope it doesn't scam you. Because if Nasdaq has so much strength, man.
Yeah, ideally we should just buy Nasdaq. Like, that would be the right play. Buy Nasdaq, and when ES hits its target, just get out of your trade.
Exactly. However, let's see. I want to see how I'm gonna draw this up here. I'll probably end up just giving ES a chance, just because we know ES has that same capability to skyrocket, and we still have a ton of liquidity up above on ES that needs to be hit, and it just seems like I gotta try ES, bro.
I'm waiting for it to close above.
Yeah, once we I'm gonna draw this up right now.
Once we invert this gap and get closure, I'm gonna get in and put my stop right below that low.
6.
As soon as we get closure above this high, and just basically play catch up.
12 micros, not minis. We got to drive lower here. SMT here.
They want to see your screen, ROC.
I got you. I'm about to as soon as I draw it up here, I'll pull it up.
It's basically the same trade. Long off this.
Yeah.
Closure if we get a strong close.
Yeah, let me see here. And then I would just let this run, bro. I would just let this run. I want to see that London high for ES as well. Keep it simple. Ideal entry would be 73.98. Yeah. 12 micros. Beautiful. All right, here, I'll pull up my screen now. This is what I'm looking at. Something like this, yeah, and it's about to try and run here.
I'm about to get in right now. If we get closer, I'm getting in.
Let's see that 2 minute. 2 minute is ugly, but
oh, come on, bro. Give us a closure for.
It's on the way, bro. It's on the way.
Dude, it's not closing above. He just doesn't want to close.
We got this here. Close. Yeah, I like this right here. This is gonna be my pivot point here. I like this. A nice rally out of here. Got order blocks here. I don't even need that big of a stop. I'll go 8.25 here. Create this limit order.
I'm going 5 handles. Break even is 7,402. Relative equal highs. You see the equal highs?
12, yeah. Equal highs at at 8:30, 9 a.m. or 8:40.
Yeah. But these pullbacks are vicious on ES. That's the thing about buying ES.
You're right. Yeah, those pullbacks are more aggressive. But they look solid though. Yeah, I gotta try this, bro.
Gotta wait for it needs
I
to
got-
close above that resistance. You see that resistance right there at 97?
Exactly. Yeah. Exactly. Clear and obvious resistance. But I'm anticipating this to be where price finds that support. This 1020 1 minute candle. Nice body, nice gap, nice rejection. Just turn out of here. You got the EMA sitting inside of it as well. Yeah, I would want to see that. Hold up. Boom. Yeah. That's textbook. Mm.
1030 is also here, so either we're gonna have a continuation here,
Oh, you're right. Yeah, 1030 is gonna pull back.
or it's
1030
gonna
is
pull back.
Yeah, 1030 has to pull back. Maybe entertain this, but dang, bro, Nasdaq is running, bro. 1030, come on, pull back. What's
Oh
up?
my god, look at the Dow. The Dow is dumping.
Oh, bro, I would love a flip here, an invalidation short. Because look at the 15-minute on ES. This 15-minute bearish gap is slamming price right now. Nasdaq just in no man's land. Bro, I would love for this to invalidate. Oh, yeah. All right, here we go. Here we go. 1030.
Well, for shorts, right? 1030 flip shorts ES. That would be
Be
nice.
fire. That would be fire. If we could get this flip here, that would be so fire.
It can't flip this gap. It's telling you that this low is now in target, and it's 1030. 1030 always reverses. Time is aligning with price.
Correct.
Slowly.
Massive exhaustion on ES, not being able to make new highs. YM dead. This is like watching a weird movie. You don't know how it's gonna end. So yeah, no entry yet on the long. I'm watching, like I said, this yellow box here. If we maintain this range right now, notice we haven't really closed underneath it. This is not gonna go lower. If it holds, I'm looking to buy a breakout, like you said, once we close above this short-term resistance here. So that, yeah, that would be the play. Oh, this would be nice. Yeah, go ahead, bleed through it. Got this low here. Fails to make a high. There we go. Now we're talking. Now we're talking, kid. Who else is online? Oh, look at that reaction. Look at that reaction.
Yeah, I'm not convinced by the shorts just yet.
Yeah, no, it has to slam lower here. Otherwise, I don't like it.
Otherwise, I'm long in this breakout.
Indeed.
Screw your technical analysis on all-time high, bro. Get in long.
Just buy long.
Forget about your technicals. That shit don't work. Bro. Oh.
It is definitely not pushing lower here. Why I'm showing some life yet? Okay, finally a little bit. 5-minute nice push here. YM is like literally cooked. Like overly cooked. Like someone left YM in the oven for way too long.
Should we try longs here with the 5-minute?
Let me look at Lumi. What's Lumi drawn up? Lumi's already in the long on ES.
What is she long? She's
She
long.
longed ES at what price is that? Let's see.
I haven't got in. Duchip. Oh, dude, I don't even know how to say that name.
73.91.
Dutrovic. My bad, bro, if I said that wrong. I haven't got in yet. I'm waiting for the closure above.
Here we go.
97.
This is what you call. Like I said, I'm ready to go with about 12. And really, you can go a tighter stop, bro. It shouldn't even pull back. 7.5. 930 swing. Hourly highs. If this ends up running the all-time highs, bro, this is ridiculous, bro. Like, if ES really ends up blasting off and taking those highs all the way at 74.10, like, I don't think trading gets any easier than this, bro.
Oh, dude, if it does, bro, I'll be so happy if we get this. Get this.
Yeah, this is crazy, bro.
I think we're about to get the longs, though. We get a 5-minute bullish closure right here.
Yep, it should be that simple, bro.
Come on, my friend. Stop playing around. Just give us a goddamn closure already.
Good accumulation, huh? Fabulous accumulation.
Oh, bro, this is great. This is your triangle breakouts right here.
Yeah, your wedge.
What is it? Falling wedge, bullish wedge,
bullish flag or something. I don't know how they do all that, but
all right, come on, it's time now. Come on.
These type of trades, you're gonna see a massive candle, and you might not be able to get in. It just sits here, and then pow, 12-point candle.
Hey, that's why I got the trigger ready on a 30-second chart, dog. I don't know about you, but
I might have to put just a limit up there. We get back up there, it should be good. We'll see. 73.98, 73.98, 73.98. Yeah, I'm gonna just put a buy stop up here, man.
Okay, everyone's trying to look at longs now on ES. This is no wonder it's wicking everybody. Everyone's trying to take the same damn trade.
Literally. Why is it doing this stuff though?
Phil is here. Fucking Phil. Oh.
All right, yeah, let me go ahead and just put an order up here.
I need a body closure.
I know it's like it's playing games. It's
wicking it.
It could wick it and stop you out, or it could blast off and you don't get a chance to get in. So it's like, at this point, I like what I see as far as how this zone has been holding up.
Yeah.
So let's give it a chance if it breaks here. So yeah, my limit is set at.
Oh, you have a limit in?
Yeah, buy stop.
Oh, buy stop.
Above those highs. So if it blasts through it and keeps going, I don't get slipped or a bad feel. And just see what happens there.
What's your TP? Your TP's the London high?
1.5R. So
okay,
right before that London high. All right, there goes some pressure. Are
we gonna get body closure?
I'm
about to get in on the body.
Yeah, it could definitely wick again. That's the sad part.
Are we gonna get body closure or what? Come on. Nope, wicking it again.
12. Why is it doing this?
All right, I'm filled too. All right.
Boom, 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 boom.
London high. Relative equal highs. 92.
Nasdaq is showing no sign that it wants lower.
Yeah.
ES respected this level of interest here. So let's get a nuke here. Let's get one of them candles where it's like, oh, TP.
How do I share my share this T?
Here,
break even. Now you can leave your screen on. We're in the same trade, so it doesn't really.
facts, yeah.
Yeah.
Bro, why is Nasdaq so much stronger, bro? It's ripping.
Fuck, man. I wish we bought Nasdaq.
You're right. Yes, come on, save the day here, bro. You're not a scumbag.
All right, chat, pump it up.
Yeah, drop a like,
Time
man.
to pump it up.
Drop a like on the stream. Let's charge up these buys. There we go. Good push.
We are in this. Here, I can, yeah, I'm gonna show mine too. I'm in this, bro. I'm about to go break even at 7402 because I ain't trying to fuck around and find out today.
7402, those equal highs. Yeah, I feel that. But we should nuke this TP here, bro. What about Tanya? What's up with Tanya? You in yet? Tanya's not in yet. Lumi's in the buys.
It's time to pump it up.
This 930 swing is being hit. You want to see speed through this 930 high so that we can use it as support.
740.
Come on, kid. Come on, kid. Definitely want to see a strong close through this 930 swing point here. It's a big pivot. Yeah, you're right. Everybody's in the same trade.
I already knew everyone was gonna take this trade.
We got Lumi in. Lumi got in way before we got in. Then the next kid I'm watching here just literally bought the same price we bought. I don't know if he's in, but it looks like he might be in. He put the indicator on there.
Well, once this relative equal high gets taken out, dude, I think it's blast off time.
Yeah, it should rip. It should rip through all of these highs, but it might pull back, bro, after these relative equal highs. So just be ready for that.
Well, you saying I shouldn't go break even after that?
No, you might want to go break even, bro. And if it stops you, just wait for a second entry, a second stage. But the best case scenario would be that we close so far past those equal highs that you're chilling.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So here goes this fair value gap being tapped into. We haven't taken much, so we should be able to survive this pullback, no problem. And then YM, as we mentioned, should finally start showing some sort of bullishness. Give us some help here on this momentum.
My boy Dabsy, 20.2 NQ has our way back up. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Yeah, bro. As long as you manage your risk, you know what I mean? Don't revenge trade. Don't FOMO. Wait for that setup.
Say leaving ES to run.
Oh, Dale. That's
7406.
Dale. Dude, Dale's in the building.
Young Daily.
Dale.
But I don't like this order block sitting right here at this price. I need a closure through it, bro. Come on, kid. I need a strong move through this 930 swing, right? This was the first sign of resistance for ES this morning, where right at 930, price just dumps off of this order block here. We're back in this area. You want to see price escape through it and then use it as support rather than resistance right now. Resistance is not a good look with this SMT. But we got these relative equal highs, bro. Naturally, you would think we should at least expand through those, bro. But now we got to deal with all this weird stuff right now. So,
Wait, what's Yemen? What do you mean Yemen?
yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Oh, yeah. I'm hella dumb. My bad. I was like, what the hell is Yaman?
That's funny. Sound like some sort of Asian food. Ramen and yamen.
What if ES just pulls back and takes out all of these lows? That would be crazy.
Thing is, when you power of 3, bro, when you wait for all the shenanigans, you don't expect any more shenanigans after like 10:30. You expect a clean expansion, a nice buy side of the curve where it's not worried about lows anymore and it's only worried about highs. Respect bullish PD array, take out highs.
Smacking TPs.
Exactly. And the way NASDAQ held up after taking these highs, bro, NASDAQ ended up making 1, 2, 3 more highs on the 1-minute chart after taking out that all-time high. So I don't think this should be enough to stop ES. We haven't made many highs yet. We're finally breaking out of this 930 range. So this should be where you get that acceleration again to make another high.
Yes. So basically the target is London high.
Yep, that's your target. But if you can get secure maybe 1.5, which is my goal every day, I can secure 1.5 before we even get to that high. I'm gonna take that and just call it a day. Unless it blasts off, like you get one of those nuke candles. Oh.
Where is 1.5?
So
I don't have my thing out. That's why.
1.5 would be, my entry was at 39, 398. Yeah. So 1.5 would be 74.09.
Okay, got it.
Which is about 11 points. I had a 7-point stop. Oh yeah, there we go.
Okay, I think I might go break even here, bro. Internal high swept. Come on.
With this, how strong NASDAQ looks, I'm not break even nothing, bro. I need full TP, kid. This is way too bullish. YM should be showing some life. Yeah, YM starting to bottom out. We should get a rip here, kid. You might get a pullback, like you said, because we're taking out this internal. But
yeah,
I don't think that's any session liquidity.
No, but there's no reason for it to pull back there. Like, that's why I go break even. Bro, this could literally be the top, and then it just dumps and takes out all these lows. I'd rather protect myself.
Facts.
You know what I mean?
Break even can't hurt. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, break even can't hurt. You're right. Break even can only hurt if it literally pinpoints your break even and keeps going back to TP. That's the only time break even hurts.
Exactly. And guess what? If I get stopped, we just get right back in, dog.
Get right back in. Yeah, exactly.
Shit.
I love that NASDAQ is so strong, though. We haven't shown any sign of weakness here. And like I said, once we took this 930 swing, you want to see a nice expansion through. So now there's an order block here that price can use if it wants to pull back. It can use this down close candle to catapult higher. So I'll highlight that. It'll probably pull back just because we're taking out this 8 a.m. high. If you look at the hourly chart, we're taking out that 8 a.m. high. YM, have you taken out any hourly highs? Nope. Yeah, we're chilling, bro.
I'm just tying it back. But I'm holding this to London high, dog. I have to.
Yeah. Facts. My TP is literally like 1.5 points away from London high. Facts, yeah. Come on, give us one of those candles where it's like 7 points of straight rocket ship action. What about the clock here? We got any higher time frame candles about to close? No. It's 10:48. We got 12 minutes left in this candle. Internal highs being taken. This would be so lame if this is the high for ES. Oh no. Lots of exhaustion here. Oh no. Oh well.
Oh no,
Yeah,
that's
I
not
mean
good.
immediate exhaustion, kid. And it pushed all the way back. I don't want to see this get closed through. If so, I might go break even with you, kid, and close it out. Small
This is
loss.
why I go break even, dude. That's a fucking crazy wick.
It's disgusting, bro. It's only pulling back just to, I don't know, it's an algorithmic signature. It won't even be bearish, but it has to make you feel like it can be bearish. Stupid, bro.
Yo, what was that wick, dog?
I don't think it's done yet, bro. I think it's gonna try to eat up some more of these gains. We did tap into this EMA, nice rejection off of it, but I don't want to see price hang out down here much longer, or I'm gonna cut it with you. Get me out of it, coach. Because it's not worth it. It's not worth it. You don't want to see anything like this. So the key for me on this idea is that order block I have highlighted. Any closure underneath there is grounds for exit, because NASDAQ just closed underneath its low. If we're bullish, you'll see price avoid closing on both charts. You'll get like a SMT type closure where NASDAQ closes underneath it, but ES doesn't type of deal. That's a good signature for higher. But if both of them find a way to close underneath this 1040 low, and we have this bearish gap, if we respect this bearish gap, that's going to be ugly. And it looks like we might respect it, kid. Come on, don't do it. It's crazy how you can be so close to TP, but so far away at the same time.
Yeah, this goddamn trading, man. Makes me I'm going bald because of this shit sometimes, bro.
I feel you, bro. I feel you, man. This bearish gap needs to be invalidated, and so far it is absorbing.
I don't look good, man. This looks pretty bearish. Let me do something. Let me put this here. Let me just
Tony, watch these lows at
I gotta watch. I gotta hawk these
98.
lows.
Yeah, let's see how these lows hold. YM still showing a lot of strength on YM, man. But we're starting to push back into this bearish territory. Deep breaths, man. Give us a nice delivery, please.
I refuse to believe that it's just gonna do this and then take us out of our position and then run. Imagine it does that.
Like I said, I'm watching these lows, bro. Keep your eye on that low from 1043. Notice ES was not able to close underneath that down close candle. NASDAQ did. So you want to see this bearish gap get invalidated. That's gonna give us a rally here. Yeah, let's close through it. There you go. So you can see, right? You can see where NASDAQ tried to go bearish, but ES was like, nope, I'm not going for it yet. I still want to
killing me.
Yeah, I want to go higher.
Dale is funny, bro. I can't trade ES. It kills me off. Tension, the heart rate.
ES it's strange, bro. Like one day it could be perfect, the next day it could be a joke. Same with YM. One day it's so good, and the next day it just refuses to do what it's supposed to. It's like a toddler. All right, let's invert this bearish candle, and we're gonna be off the TP, guys. Let's go.
Oh, if this inverts, I mean, we're slapping London high.
Yeah,
I can assure you,
yeah.
ladies and gents.
And notice there's only one gap on ES compared to 2 gaps on NASDAQ. So if we make that like a 2-minute chart, there's not even a gap there at all. So these discrepancies are pretty solid. I like the fact that NASDAQ pretended, ES was like, nah, I'll sweep that low, but I'm not closing through it. Yeah, that's solid. Now all we need is TP and we'll be out of here.
But I'm not even kidding. Dale, like whenever I'm in a trade, my heart rate does spike. My cortisol spikes. Everything spikes like crazy. I've literally measured my with the Apple Watch, and the minute I go break even, my heart rate just immediately calms down.
That's solid. Yeah, see,
I'm like, ah,
I should try my Apple Watch. I know, bro. I got
dude,
so many gadgets I don't even use, bro. It's just
bro,
waste of money.
you're gonna notice shit that you don't notice. You're gonna notice your breathing get heavy, your heart rate spike. You're gonna notice. Trust, bro, it's crazy.
Yeah, this year everybody's in these longs, bro. Tanya's the only one that didn't get in. I'm surprised because her model was right here, this yellow zone. I'm sure she probably just didn't want to get in because Nasdaq was so bullish. But look at Nas, bro. Look at it go, kid. That inversion entry from Desi is up like 1,000,000 points.
But Desi is like the best trader I've seen in like all of the space, bro. That guy
That kid
knows
is
how to
like
trade.
I tried to watch him. I'm like I can't ignore the fact that a lot of those entries are just luck. But I guess you can give him that. He gives the market a chance to run. Like that
Yeah.
entry earlier, that's literally you just giving the market a chance to run, and it does.
And plus, he got money to like, bro.
Yeah,
When
he
you
don't
got
care. Yeah,
50,000
yeah,
and cushion, dude, you don't give
yeah.
a
He don't
shit
care.
about $5 grand drawdown or $3 grand.
Exactly. Yep. All right, so here we are, pushing. Let's get a rally here. Now this is a break-even spot for me, where I've gave price a chance to pull back, and now we should be in the clear here. Good trade, guys. You can literally close this trade if you want. We're at pretty much 1 hour right now.
Hell nah. ES needs to pay me.
Facts. Pay me with.
Shit.
Oh my goodness, good trade. There it is. Yeah, I'm gonna start scaling out on some of my accounts here. I'm good. This is 1.2R. Excellent. Going for 1.5. Don't do this. Just rip it. I would hate for an unnecessary pullback. We got one more high to our left here, sitting at 4 a.m. So that should be hit without a problem. It's about 2 points away here. There we go. All right, nice. All right, yeah, I'm gonna start scaling out, bro. Just rip it though. I don't even. There we go. I say stuff like that, hoping that price just rips because it hears me saying I'm gonna get out. There it goes. All right.
I'm gonna start scaling out too, little by little.
Why does it do stuff like this, bro? Like, why even bother pulling back when you show so much urgency? Just go. TP is literally here. Now it's gonna start doing stupid stuff. Oh, come on, kid. I don't want to see any bearish candles.
Should we just get out at full TP at this high when it smacks it?
That's right where my TP is, right above that high. It should blast through it though. It shouldn't even be a thing. It should literally. All right, there goes that high. Yeah, I'm out of here. Come on, just rip it. It's not gonna.
Yeah, I'm out. Get me out. I'm out.
Yeah, same. I'm out too, bro. Good trade, man.
I'll take.
Good
Okay, I took
trade,
550. Yeah, 500 on the day, guys. Oops.
Yeah, good trade.
On the dot.
Yeah, I'm up 600. Take it. Can't even complain, bro. Even though it's probably gonna keep going, it's just like peace of mind and wins in these scenarios.
Yeah, bro. I get to go outside, touch some grass. Fuck.
We're chilling. We're chilling. Trying to help my friend pass an eval here, so I'm gonna hold this trade on the eval, but this is grounds for a legitimate pullback. We got a nice expansion. I'm out on my
your friend is trying to pass the eval?
Yeah, bro. They gotta work. So they're like, bro, can you trade it for me? I'm like, you know what, bro?
Hell nah.
I usually say no, but I'm like, you know what, bro? It's no big deal. Go for it. Just send me the account, bro. I'll just click buy. I'll just click buy for you, bro, because the buys are free money at this point.
But I try to get my cousin into trading. I send him like the ICT stuff. He's like, bro, this is too much. I can't handle it. You just quit. Some people can't do it, bro.
It's all about your competitiveness, bro, as a person. You're competing with the markets, bro. Like that first loss you take should make you like really, really upset and make you like, you know what? I'm gonna figure out how to take advantage.
Or the worst case, you know what? Fuck this. Let me fall for it.
Poor, hey, bro. But at least you know you're not a simp. At least you fight back. It's okay to go on like a little revenge trade early in your career. Just learn
Early,
from it.
yeah.
Just learn from it, man.
Sure. Well, all I know is W's in the chat, dog.
Yeah, absolute precision
Banger, precision.
I'm holding it. Come on, give me one more push. I'm gonna get out. I'm trying to, like I said, I'm just trying to pass this eval for them.
Oh, if it's eval, yeah, fuck it, it's good enough.
Yeah, definitely. I'm gonna get out here. Actually, it's still showing strength, but I need a pop. Eval TP is literally at the London high. There it is. Nice.
Oh, I should have held. God damn it.
It's okay, bro, because you got like 89, 95% of the move booked. So yeah, we're chilling. I would only hold something like this on the eval, and I'm out. There he goes. So that's going to be a full 1.5, which is what I'm looking for every day of the week. I don't care about this high here.
Okay, that's it. We're full porting the next long setup.
But how exactly, bro? How is that even possible for it to be such a massive discrepancy and it still ends up hitting this high, bro? It's like it's giving you free money. It's literally giving you free money, bro.
No, this high's gonna get tapped. And
Yeah,
Malky, so wait.
There
So let's see ES. If we got in on NQ on that same entry, which was
what time was it? 10:37.
10:37 candle.
Yeah.
I would have gone stopped out, break even, bro. Thank God I bought ES.
Yeah, definitely would have. Yeah, ES almost got stop break even also. That was dirty, bro. It literally tried to stop break even here. That 1048 wick was nasty.
Yeah, hell yeah, bro. Thank God I bought ES, bro. See, bro. When we know what we doing, dog.
Yeah, bro.
Shit.
It's a bag, man. That's a bag. Don't even look at these charts anymore. It's probably gonna edge this high just to rage bait people. But we're out of here, man. We are out of here, kid. Look at that wick lower. Look at this, bro. Yeah, I'm out of here. Good trade, man. Back at it tomorrow, NFP. You want to jump on stream tomorrow, bro, or what?
Yeah, I'm trading, full time, baby. So we on.
Let's do it.
I got a fucked up finger though, bro. I'm gonna stop hooping because I be going hooping after this, and like I be getting hella like
jammed fingers.
Yeah. You ever jam your finger?
Yeah, bro. Trust me, I've broken my thumb before.
Yeah, it sucks, right?
Yeah, it's the worst because it really never goes away. It takes forever, and then when it does go away, you probably jam another finger by then.
Yeah. So I'm just chill. But yeah, we back on it tomorrow, bro. Yeah. Fire streams. Dovocic. Bro, you gotta tell me how to pronounce your name. I'm really bad with names.
Yeah, I don't even know how to say it.
Dovocic.
Djokovic. Joke it.
Roll to $1 million, dog. Watch. It's happening before the year ends.
Man, look, bro. If these conditions are like throughout the entire Trump term, yeah.
Well, yeah, guys, I'm out, bro. I'll see you tomorrow.
Yes, sir, bro. Good.
All right.
Good trade execution, man.
Let's get it.
All right.
Later, I'll see you. I'll DM you. Bye.
All right, cool. Yeah, so I'm gonna do the usual screenshot, drop it in the chat. Screenshot, drop it in the chat. He said, who is Desi? Desi, he's an inversion trader, bro. So beware. I think the kid gets lucky. I've watched him trade a few times, and I'm like, nah. It's when I say it's simple. His entry model is literally an inversion. That's it. There's no, I mean, sweeps and inversions, kind of like dodgy, you know. But all in all, he has the trading profits to back up his strategy though. So I guess who am I to say whether I like it or not? It's just me personally. I'm like, I'm a break and retest guy, and inversion doesn't really tell me much. You know what I mean? Like, imagine all the people who shorted this inversion or whatever the case may be. But yeah, I'm gonna screenshot this, drop it in the chat. Thankfully, ES offered a beautiful 12-point expansion here, and we were able to literally pinpoint this entry. More settings, trading, execution mark, bang. There goes another one. But you see how we were able to dissect this price action simply by being patient and using the trend shift, right? We noticed price was extremely bearish. Here, let me turn on these timestamps so you can see how the power of three really constructed this trade. Every trade we take has to have that power of three signature. It just helps you really get in when the market is ready compared to guessing. You know what I mean? So we see 930 here. What happens? Was there any power of three at 930? No. Price just went one directional. So that's my cue to just stand on the sidelines and don't do anything. 10 a.m. opens. What do you see? 10 a.m. expands, and then you get that pullback. So now that we have this 10 a.m. attempting to go lower now, you see both directions, right? You see higher and you see lower. But because we're bullish on the higher time frame, naturally I'm going to lean more towards the bullish scenario, right? We saw price expand. I want to see price try and go lower inside of this 10 a.m. candle. That's exactly what we get. And then it fails, right? When it failed, I'm immediately looking for my trend shift. Let's see if we had the indicator go off in here somewhere. Indicator didn't give me a bullish trend shift, maybe on a 2-minute. No, indicator didn't even give it to me. But that's kind of why I don't like indicators lately. Indicators like, bro, one day you give me the proper entry, the next day you don't even acknowledge it. So like, how do you even fix something like that? I have no idea. But yeah, so once we started to flip these bearish candles in here, I'm already understanding that I want to buy. So we waited, highlighted this area of interest here. And what do you notice, right? This level held up perfectly. There was no reason for me to think that price is shifting bearish as long as we hold here. And then the moment we start breaking out here, I'm okay with just trying this out, right? Look at this dump right now. This is crazy. So yeah, we're chilling, man. Screenshot this. Yeah, so you'll notice this is the same exact trade we took yesterday, right? No difference except NASDAQ was the leader today and ES was the follower. You got this level right here. I wouldn't be surprised if this level tries to hold up and sends price higher again. But yeah, good session, good patience, and once again we're done by 11:30. So I was telling one of my friends yesterday, I'm like, bro, if you really want to be good in these markets, focus on that 9:30 to like 11:30 window and take the best setup inside of that window. You're gonna get some sort of expansion. You're gonna get some sort of profits off of that. You just have to manage your trade accordingly, right? This is why I don't go break even when I see my setup, because this could have easily stopped us at break even, right? If it starts closing through bullish structure, like these down close candles right here should hold up if we're on a bullish trend. We start closing through here, then that's different. I'll close that out. But a wick doesn't, it doesn't scare me. All right, so let me do this, and then we're out of here, man. Good work, guys. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but we're trading really clean, and it's not because of us. It's because of this volume. When the volume is good, bro, this stream is probably the best stream to watch. And I'm doing better at just not trading when the volume sucks. You know what I mean? And then I think one trade away from May payout. All I need is one more solid trade, bro. Maybe two. Just depends on how the trade goes. If I can get full 1.5 on the next trade, I can submit a payout. Right? Yeah. But payouts don't really matter, bro. It's just how good are you at trading? Are you legit? Are you lucky? Whatever the case may be. Let me copy this over here. Another $600 trade. And I didn't even put a full 500. I think I did 400 on this trade. Copy, drop this in here. But yeah, man, if you guys made money today, if you guys are starting to understand how these markets work, drop a like on the stream. And let's keep this going, man. It's important for us to make a run for this second quarter. April, May, June. It's important to milk as much as possible here. All right, cool. Cool. Boom, boom, boom. Screenshot, and we're out of here. Also here, let me go ahead and drop the link for anyone who is new here. You can join the chat room. As long as you're a legit trader, bro, chat room is wide open. Check it out. We are pretty much all trading the same concept, bro. We all trade the same way, so good spot to learn something. It's almost too good to be true, this price action, bro. This is the stuff you dream of. Like, it's really giving you clean entries, clean exits, right? It's honestly, and to look at this is a short signal right here. If NASDAQ broke structure, oh, well, no, maybe, yeah. Yeah, this gap right here, this candle right here shows a ton of selling pressure, right? If this can maintain, it's gonna dump. And it's identical with ES. Yeah, this looks like a bearish sell signal here. I'll come back to it later. Put an arrow here. I would short that if I was still trading. Because there should be some sort of fair value gap being created. You know, this candle closes in 17 minutes, 15 minutes, 10 minutes. Okay, maybe not. Maybe there's no higher time frame gap. I don't know. But definitely a sign of weakness, definitely a short signal here. Even if it only takes this low, put your stop at break even after it takes this low, but this is a clean sell signal. Why? For the first time, we actually shifted on both charts after taking out a high. Take out this 4 a.m. high, which is pretty much overnight hourly high. putting these up close candles, changing the state of delivery, massive close through, retest this candle area here and show resistance. Yeah, that's a short. Who knows how far it's shorts though? That's the catch. In these markets, you got to be very, very cautious if you short. But yeah, if you caught the buys, drop a photo in the chat room. Back at it tomorrow. All right, cool. Also, make sure you are deleting any orders that are on your Tradeovate, because boy, that's the worst. That is the worst. But yeah, I'm out of here, guys. You guys take care. God bless. And see you guys in the chat room. See you guys on stream tomorrow. Later.